Meaning of hyphenate.
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 Hyphenate. Hyphenate means to join two or more words together by using a hyphen symbol in order to create a compound word. This is often done to clarify the meaning of a phrase, or to ease pronunciation or readability. The resulting compound word may function as an adjective, noun, or verb depending on its usage. For example, well-being, mother-in-law, and cooperate are all examples of hyphenated words. Proper hyphenation can make writing more clear and concise, and can enhance the reader's understanding of the text.